We have Purva with us. Purva, she hasn't applied for any anticipatory bail. Her lawyers claim that she's ready to even be arrested.
Yes, in fact, that is what the lawyer has also said, that she hasn't yet applied for any anticipatory bail, and even if she would be arrested, she's ready to face the arrest. In this entire case, what is also important to note is that the drug possession was not right when Souvik Chakravarti was arrested. There wasn't any possession of drugs which was in fact found on him or on Samuel Miranda. So that is an important point to note, and also on what basis Rhea Chakravarti will be questioned, of course, on the angle and whether she has her involvement in all of this. That needs to be found out, and that is why NCB will be questioning her, because if we remember, if we know that NCB already has custody of Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakravarti, and they will be, in fact, they wanted Souvik Chakravarti to confront with Rhea Chakravarti, and that is why she has in fact been brought here today at the NCB. So that is something that the NCB will try to analyze and investigate as to whether Rhea Chakravarti's involvement is there in this case directly, whether she was procuring drugs for herself. If not for herself, then whether she was procuring it for someone else, Sushant Singh Rajput or someone else, that needs to be identified also. And if you remember, the lawyer had also said that both Souvik and Rhea had never consumed drugs, and they are even ready to take a blood test. So whether there will be any blood test which will be taken of them to prove actually whether they were consuming drugs or not for themselves, that also needs to be seen. So at this point, it's important to note that Rhea Chakravarti has arrived at the NCB. She will be questioned. Most likely she will be confronted with Souvik Chakravarti as well as Samuel Miranda, because that is what the NCB wants to identify and know whether there are other possible angles to it, whether there is a cartel involved in all of this, and whether Souvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda used to procure drugs and they used to sell it to others, or whether that procurement was for personal use, personal consumption. That also needs to be identified, whether Rhea Chakravarti, she was involved, she had ever taken drugs, whether it was for her personal consumption or whether it was for Sushant Singh Rajput. That also needs to be investigated, and also the NCB also needs to is trying to identify the financial angle in all of this, as in how they used to in fact procure drugs, in the sense like Souvik Chakravarti used to pay it through the payment gateways like Google Pay. So how they used to in fact pay for these drugs, that also needs to be seen. That is also something that they are trying to investigate. So this is the reason why they needed custody, which they got right now. And as we mentioned, Rhea Chakravarti's lawyer had said that she hasn't applied for any anticipatory bail, and she is in fact even ready to face the arrest. But whether she will be arrested, on what basis, on what charge she will be arrested, that also needs to be seen. But right now she is here at the NCB and she will be questioned. The questioning can go on for long hours is what is expected, because even if in the case of Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda, they were questioned for over 9 hours before they could actually be arrested. So the charges on what, if at all she will be arrested, the charges are also going to be important, because if we remember, the charges on Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda are of of consumption, of transportation, of export and import of drugs. So and criminal conspiracy and abetment. These are the other charges on Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda. So that also needs to be seen, whether she will be arrested, and if at all she will be arrested, what are the charges under which she will be arrested.